Hello guys, you're welcome back again to our video today. In this video, I want to show you a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your funds from this Safepal Mining app. You know, I've been sharing videos on this Safepal Mining app. You can mine USDC. They are using USDC on the Polygon network. So one thing I've always said in the previous video is that, actually when you mine and withdraw, the withdrawal you made will be added to your mining amount, the investment you put in before, to increase your mining hash. It's a kind of compounding. So it means that whatever money you still have here in your Safepal, like in this case, all of this money here now in USDC, they are still attached to that miner. And now you know what that means. It means that if anything happens tomorrow, the miner gets blocked from, even though as this whole money is nice under my custody, but it's already attached to, connected to the miner. So if the miner decide to block it that way, definitely you may not have access to this one, even though it's in your Safepal. So what do I encourage? I started this with $10. That's my base amount. So I've made a profit of $5.5. So I want to withdraw this. And withdrawing it, that means I have an external wallet. Either it could be a decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, or this centralized wallet like Bitget, the Binance, and also I want to withdraw this to Binance. And that's what this video is all about. Okay, I want to withdraw it to Bitget. I want to use Bitget now. That's what this video is all about. How do you do it? Now, before I do that, let me take you back to the miner for you to see. You are seeing 15.54 here on USDT. Let's check that miner. You're going to see the exact amount for you to see that it's there. And as I have it, this is the miner. I'm going to go to the miner, as I have it there, that's what is helping to generate fund for me. That's what is helping to do. Every 1 hour time it generates, every 1 hour time it generates, every 1 hour time. So I'm going to show you this quickly before I not go to this other part of this video. For those of you who want to join this, you can be part of this. Now look at this. So you can see it, that amount I showed you. This is what is here. It's 15.5 something. So this is what I've generated so far. I've not yet withdrawn. I'm going to withdraw this in the evening today. So it will be added today. Once I withdraw this amount now, it will be added here. You understand? So added here is still attached. It will increase my mining power because it's compounding. So it will, but if I want to, so I'm going to do that. You're going to see the end of this video. I'm going to withdraw that $5 plus. So you see what will remain here and it will come back to the $10. Just watch. So let me quickly go back and now tell you how to do it. For those of you who join here, say, how do I convert to cash? It's as simple as ABC. So once you do this, I'm going to show you all of these things. Now, let me quickly go back to this place. So have you seen it? The money is there for us. Now, we go. So I'm going to quickly click on this. I'll click on this. I want to send $5 here, or 5 point something dollar to my wallet outside Safepal. Now all I need to do, I go to that wallet I want to send from. Now this is my wallet on Bitget. So I'm going to go to that area. You know, depend on the wallet you're using. Some wallets, it might not be where it is here, but this is Bitget I'm using as a centralized exchange. So I click on assets, that where you have assets, the asset page. So this is asset page. Now I'm going to see where it's at fund, because I want to be fund to this system. So some platform will call it deposit. It's something deposit or add fund or add money. So I click on add fund. Now, which particular fund I will say, am I trying to buy something with crypto or P2P? What I want to deposit crypto. So I'm going to click on this one, deposit crypto. Now the system will give me a chance to see some of the cryptos, especially the ones I recently used and some other cryptos. And if the crypto I want to deposit is not in the list, I can click on this search area and type it. But as it is, look at the crypto I want to deposit. Remember, it's USDC. And even it's not in this list now, why did they call it popular coin? Because I've been using it recently. That's what makes it popular. And all that. So if it's not in this list now, I could have typed under this search this and get it. But you see, so I click on it. I click on it. Now I want you to understand that all these stable coin like USDC, USDT, they have different chains or what we call network. Now the question is, if you watch from Safepal, the USDC I'm using there is under Polygon. Now I have to choose a network. Don't make mistake and just go and copy any USDC from any network, because you want to deposit in a Polygon network of USDC. So you must search for Polygon here. This one is Morph network. This one is BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. This one is Ethereum, with ERC20. This one is Solana. So this one Avast network. This is Monad network. We have Optimism, we have Base, we have Afros, we have Sonic. So many of this network. I'm not even seeing TRC20, so that's the Tron network. It's not even here. But see, what I'm looking for is Polygon, and it's here. So that's what matters to me. It's Polygon I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on Polygon. You have to do that. Very important. You choose a network that tallies with the network you are sending money from. You don't use a different thing to do it. So it's coming up with your hands now. Look at it. Don't worry, it's my network from my data. Okay, just click OK, remove. So this is the wallet address. I'm going to copy it now. I copy it. And now pay attention, they tell you the minimum you can deposit is 0.009992. So you can even deposit $1 from Safepal. That's what they're saying. So it's very easy. So you don't need to have 1 billion. So if you are mining that, even if it's $2 or $1, you decide to be depositing, you can do that. But why we avoid that smaller distance? If also Safepal is charging fee, you keep on spending fee anytime you deposit. You understand? So this deposit is so small. So I've copied the distance. I'm going to go back to Safepal. Pay attention now. Watch. Remember, I want to send here. So I'm going to click on send. That address I copied now under this store, I paste it here. I paste the address here. You seen it? Now I paste the amount I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 5.2. Let me use 5.2. Yeah, that's what I want to withdraw from this. You can see it's written there. I click on next. I click on next. Pay attention. Now they want to charge fee, and the fee is on Polygon. So when you are doing this, make sure you have some things inside your Polygon account. Yes, because they charge the fee on Polygon. So it's a very minimal fee. It's not that much. I click on send. I agree on that. Now I'm going to put my whatever here. Now it's successful instantly. Look at it. It doesn't take time. It has gone. It has gone. It has gone. It has gone now. Now having gone, let's go and check it. Now let's quickly check here and see what our balance will be now. Are you seeing it? They have already cut it off because we have sent it. So you see what we now have here. Are you seeing it? Now let's quickly go back to our where we send the money itself and check. Pay attention. Remember, I don't have any this thing at before then on that particular whatever. So let me refresh this. See what I have here only is USDT $10. But let's refresh. Let's refresh and see. Just pay attention, because it's going to go through some whatever we'll call it before it comes, but it won't take long. You are seeing only USDT here, so no USDC fund at all. But once it comes in, are you getting it? You see, look at what they even wrote it. They say deposit 5.2 USDC processing. You see processing. So already it's coming in here. So once it's done processing, and that's what I'm saying, processing is still going on. Once it's done, you're going to land. And that's not going to take so much time. Because from the other side, Safepal is already sent. It's already successful there. So it's now processing is going through here. Which, if you want to watch the status of that processing, you can click here to see the status. Yes, it's still validating. They are now under validation. They are validating it. Yes, 38/60 because it goes 60 validation this thing. It's now 38/60. If you go back and come in again, you may have passed that. You see it. It's now 58. I've seen it, so it will soon land 58/60. So these are things you can monitor. All of these things. It's not difficult. So I'm very sure it's almost close. I want you to watch to see everything happen. I'm not going to shorten this video. Pay attention to this. So that for those of us who always think, how to convert, these things are no longer a question of 21st century. You see, they are written credited already. So let me refresh. You see, has added. Are you seeing it? Like I told you, look at it. Maybe they wrote credited there, look at it. You see it. You see, as I did my money here increased. So I have $10 in USDC and 5.2 in USDC. It has just landed. And now, for those of us who might be saying, "Hi, I need to convert it to Naira," then that is another video for another day. In fact, I have a lot of videos even on this channel how to convert it through P2P. Just go through P2P. That's the best way. Sell it to Nigerian merchants that are selling. Millions of sales are going on, buying, selling every single day. So to sell it is not, and even said to me, if you want to have USDC, you want to say to me, I will pay you cash and buy it from you. So that's how simple it is. So all these videos, go through this, you learn. This is like learning crypto, everything about crypto as a beginner. So these are free tutorials. And then if you want to join that Safepal mining, you can see how easy it is. Yes, I started this, let's say 4 or 5 days, and it's not up to a week. It may look small. I started with $10, but I've withdrawn $5.2. This $5.2 is around, it's close to 7,000 Naira, thereabouts. That's what it is. It's not so. Imagine if that's all you do. Just you put in $10, after 1 week you get 7,000 Naira. You put in $10, and you keep on. The thing keep on going. Is it a bad investment? No, it's not a bad investment. It's not a bad investment. So you can be sure of this. So if you have what it takes to do this, just start. You can do more than $10, but that's the minimum you can start with now. So contact me on my WhatsApp. I will guide you. I can even be there online with a video call, show you everything. You do everything from the beginning to the end. That's those who are registered. That's what I did for them. We couldn't meet one-on-one, but through video call, we do everything for them. So you can always start. You can be part of this. So I encourage you. If you are new to our channel, do it to subscribe. We'll have stuff like this every moment, every time. We'll keep on bringing you updates like this. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.